Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Whop. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to your profile. Over here, go to your payment methods. After that, click on Add Payment Method. Then, type in your card information and address line and click Save. After that, go to Balance and click Withdraw to Bank. Over here, standard withdrawals take around 3 to 5 days, while instant withdrawals take around half an hour. Then, after processing, you'll receive an email notification. There is a 0.25% fee per withdrawal. An additional 1% fee applies for cross-border payouts if you're outside of the US. If your withdrawal takes longer or you face any issues, then reach out to Whop's customer support team. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Whop. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.